Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can duplicate your servers, so that they are having you create only one RDP and you duplicate it to as many RDPs as using mine. So I'm having over 6 of them here, all managed by me, but I was having many on the list here, though I'm trying to eliminate some because of some reasons. So when you look at them, they are all the clones are here, and all you need to do is to create one server. Maybe let me say you create one and it comes over here. Okay, now after that, what you need to do is to come over here and select clone. Okay, now after you selecting clone, let me say I want to duplicate this. But remember, for you to install Linode, for you to install Windows onto Linode, you need to follow one of my previous videos which are created. I'll leave the link in the description. You create you create your Linode account and you install Windows onto your server, and then you create only one server and then you duplicate it the way, or you clone it the way you're seeing mine. So I click clone, and then I select the server I want to clone. I select the location of the new server which I want. Maybe I can say the server should be in Mumbai. Then I select the kind of RAM I need. So I'll go for 2. I may go for this or any. So I'm going for this. And then I click create. So after you clicking create, you'll be having a statement search. So this is the original server and I'm cloning it to create a new server. And after this, you'll be having just many Windows servers or RDPs, but when you just installed onto just one server, and you'll be having all these the way you're seeing them here. Okay, hope you guys are getting all what I'm meaning here. Now it will be easy for you, not just like any other provider you see out there where you have to install individual servers by. Okay, I hope you guys are getting what I'm doing. As well, don't forget to subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscription button, and don't forget to share this video to all your friends so that they can get to know all this content. Well, let's wait for our server to be duplicated, and we are going to see if this server will be having the same image as this. Hello friends, hope you can see that our server was already created, and you can see that we are having just a Windows server. When you log in, you'll be seeing a Windows server just like the way you're seeing others out here onto this panel. With that, I remain Scott. We'll meet in another video. God bless you.